to number 19. Number 19 to number 24. To number 2. Yes, good. Nakawala pa. Recover by number 2. Pass to number 20. Number 20, Alfred. It's not good. It's going to give away number 4. Number 4, pass break.
One half lang yung talon.
Rescue by number 2, 3 points.
Saglit lang pinaghirapan.
Number 19, N.A. Kaunan. Number 5, is either Ridley, Gana Play. Number 29, number 12, 5, not good. Number 13, pass to number 2. Number 2 is either Ridley. 4-3 again. Bam! To number 24.
Dapat di pinaglaro yun. Suspendin nyo nga yun.
Number 24. Number 24.
Tapos kapalit.
Nakalin mo, Scott.
36.
4-3. Back again.
Pasok niyo na si Nicole.
Number 19. Number 19 is Ridley. Pass to number 24. Number 24. To number 21. Pass to number 24. Number 24. Haras. To number 19. To number 12. Number 12. 5 seconds to shoot. To number 19. Ganan. Fires.
Do.
To number 2. Number 2 is Ridley. Number 13. Haras, but there's a foul. First personal foul. Second team foul.
39-28. Kita ang mukha ko, ha?
Free throw
Nakita
is
mo.
good.
Call 2 point
Number
5.
19 is still. Pero hindi na nag-fight. Number 31, nananahin na lang pa. Hindi nyo kami number 13. Number 13. Ang ganda. To number 2, easy.
Call.
Number 12 is good.
Kita mo.
May na lang. Maganda ka lang ako.
Is that good?
Bigyan mo na rin siya sa bar.
Bars is good. By number
Bigyan mo siya
13.
ng ano pa, sa 6,000. Oy, nangangalmot si kay Jomar!
Kita mo.
Saan nyo naman daw kasi kay Jomar?
1 and a half. Is not good.
Eh, dito, Jay. Last day muna, Jojo.
One half. The incredible. Number 12 for 3. Not good. Out of bounds.
Ina, umulan na naman.
Number 13. Recover to number 20. To number 12. Number 12.
Araro.
Number 4. Recover to number 24. 5. Is here. Number 24.
Easy na lang!
Score po natin 47-2. Favor by Wonders. Number 24. To number 19. Is not good. Is number 24. Is here. Number 20. Number 20 is the Raven. Bars is good by number 21.
Love set.